another episode of Sincerely Legenia. I am so glad to have you guys here with me today. Today I have got a good one. I am going to be trying for the very first time Cauliflower Foods original Italian cauliflower pizza crust. Take a good look at that, guys. You see this? Do you see this right here in the corner? 2 net carbs per serving. That makes me really excited. Well, guys, I've got this. I am going to be making a chicken and bacon Alfredo pizza, and yeah, we're gonna put it on this cauliflower crust and we're gonna see if it's really delicious. So come along, guys, and let's do this together. All right, so, okay, my ketone level is at 0.1 right now. All right, so this is what my ketone level is before tasting the cauliflower pizza crust. I'm going to eat my pizza crust, and then an hour after I will check my ketone level again, and we'll see where it's at. All right, guys, let's pull this. Ooh, look at that seasoning. I'm telling you already, I like the way that's looking. Okay, that looks like some seasoning. And yes, you get 2 per package, okay? 2 of these per package, guys. All right, so we're gonna be using 1 of them today. All right, so let's go ahead and per the instructions, it says to preheat your oven at 400 degrees. Number 2, place the frozen crust on a vented pan, pizza screen, or non-stick cookie sheet. So I have my non-stick cookie sheet right here. So let's get this open. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. I've got my scissors so we can cut it all the way around. It's nice and thin, and growing up, we used to be thick crust pizza lovers in my home, but since being with my husband, he always loved thin crust. And at first I was like, no, but then over the years, I have grown to love thin crust pizza. So this is right up my alley. Okay, looks like it's very delicate, so you want to be very delicate with it. It smells good already, guys. Yeah, it already smells divine. Okay, love that too. All right, so let's put it there. We'll just put it down there and peel it back. All right, y'all, this smells so good. All right, I guess that's why they say make sure that the crust is completely frozen. I had it sitting out while I set up everything, so make sure your crust is completely frozen so that it'll be a lot easier for you to pull out as well. All right, guys, so now we're gonna pop this in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 400 degrees. In the meantime, let's get our toppings ready. For my pizza, I'm going to be using fresh mozzarella cheese, which I have sliced right here. I'm also going to be using some fresh arugula. We're going to put some fresh arugula on there. Yeah, this is going to be great. So I'm just going to chop this up. Our cauliflower pizza crust is ready. So let's top this with all of this goodness I've got right here. All right, so once we take this out of the oven, per the instructions, it says to allow it to cool for approximately 10 minutes. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. All right, everybody, it's been approximately 10 minutes. So now let's go ahead and add our toppings to our cauliflower pizza crust. So I'm gonna first start out with the homemade Alfredo sauce that I made. So we're gonna go ahead and put some of this on here. You all, this crust smells good all by itself, like without anything on it. And I really love and appreciate that. I'm just letting you know. Going to put this in the broiler for about 1 minute, maybe 2, to make sure the toppings get nice and heated through. All right, guys, here we have the cauliflower pizza crust. Guys, this is looking magnificent. I cannot wait to dig in. I'm gonna let it cool for about another minute or so, and then we're gonna slice this, and yeah, we're gonna indulge. Okay, everybody, it is time to give our Cauliflower Foods pizza crust a taste. And again, this is their original Italian pizza crust. Again, it's thin. I love the thinness of it. It smells good. Mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Oh my goodness. You guys, I'm gonna take a little bit of the topping off. This crust is magnificent. I want you to taste the crust by itself. My, you guys. Oh yeah. This tastes amazing. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. You guys, my goodness. Hold on 1 minute. You guys, the taste of this is magnificent. It is full of so much flavor. I love that the crust is thin. And oh my goodness, it's packed with flavor. Oh my, and this is just their original. This is just their original. Now, guys, I never steer you guys wrong. Let's look at the ingredients, guys. Fresh cauliflower, low moisture mozzarella cheese, egg whites, dried basil, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and eggs and milk. Those are the ingredients, okay, guys? You can't get any better or any cleaner or fresher than that. That is an A+. So let's look at the nutritional facts. 6 servings per container. So that means for 2 of these, you have 6 servings. All right? And you get 2 in one box. 90 calories per serving, and 1 serving is 1/3 of a pizza crust. Carbohydrates, 4 carbs. 2 of those come from the dietary fiber. Total sugars, 1 gram of sugar. You guys, this sounds like a winner. You guys, this is absolutely delicious. I I cannot wait. Let me show you guys something. Not only do they have their original Italian flavor, but guys, they also have other flavors, okay? They have sweet red pepper, and they also have spicy jalapeno flavor as well. And I cannot wait to dig into this. If this right here is the original flavor and it is as delicious as it is, I can only imagine how delicious these flavors are going to be. I am so excited. I am so thrilled. So this one is definitely one that you guys have got to try. I'm going to put a link in the description box where you guys can get you some Cauliflower Foods pizza crust. It is delicious. Once you try it, make sure you leave me a comment below to let me know that you have tried this pizza crust. Absolutely delicious. All right, guys, that is it for another product review right here on Sincerely Legenia. Thank you all so much for joining me. It is always a pleasure. These Cauliflower Original Italian Cauliflower Pizza Crust are delicious, and I cannot wait to hear from you guys. I cannot wait for you all to try them. I'm so anxious to hear what you all have to say. Hey friends, that is it for today's video. Thanks for joining me today again in my kitchen. This was a wonderful product review. I am so pleased with Cauliflower Foods Cauliflower Pizza Crust. Delicious, nutritious, and I promise you guys are going to love it. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can go and purchase your own Cauliflower Foods Cauliflower Pizza Crust. There's also so many other great options. So just take a look around the website and you will see. All right, everybody, it's been a little more than an hour since I had my cauliflower pizza crust, so I am now going to test my ketone levels again, and let's see where we're at. All right, it is still at 0.1, so yeah, it didn't affect my ketones at all. It actually stayed right where it was to begin with, so that is reassuring. All right, good. So yeah, that is encouraging, and yeah, so I'm going to be trying out more of Cauliflower's foods and incorporating more of their products into my keto lifestyle. So I'm excited to bring this video to you guys, and I hope that you get a chance to try some of their products. Again, in the description box below, click the link and try some of their products out yourself. Then don't forget to come back and let me know how well you like them. Thanks guys for joining me again for another video right here on Sincerely Legenia. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. I'll talk to you the next time, guys. Bye.